I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control.
At the storage unit getting some boxes.
Know how I feel, oh. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm dancing on the
Oh, hi, Philip. You again.
Hi.
We're going to
Soccer practice.
soccer practice.
First one of the fall season.
Oh, yeah. Where are you there?
Um.
New season. New season started.
Yeah.
First practice tomorrow. First game.
Yeah. 2:30.
All right.
Should I put it on my channel? Link in the description.
Link in the description. That's right.
Just gonna give her a blue card.
What did she do?
She stuck her foot out, and I went completely over her knee,
Oh.
and I looked like I was trying to slip down a hill, and I went on my belly. I think.
She didn't get sent off?
No,
Nice.
not nice. Because then we would have won that game.
Oh, really?
Oh, we already did. Because of me.
Did you score?
Yeah, I scored the last goal.
Oh, yeah. That's the game I wasn't there.
You were there.
I was?
Well, at least the first game you were. 'Cause I don't know if that was... No, you weren't there. And he was really good. And he's 2 years younger than us.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But too bad he can't play on our team.
Good. Why did the team get broken up?
I don't know. Because of the shortage of teams, probably.
So you're on a brand new team,
No, I'm still on Twister.
but new players?
Probably.
Dang.